What does it mean?
ADHD?
Yeah, what is it exactly? Is it real?
Tuning out is not a disease. So let me ask you a question, if I may.
Okay.
If I were to stress you right now, create stress, emotional difficulty or tension for you right now, what would be your options of dealing with that? Of dealing with me? What would be your options?
I could either get upset or I could leave.
Exactly. You could fight back, flight or fight, yeah? But what if you didn't have those options?
Yeah, then you're stuck.
And now what does the brain do when you're stuck like that?
Gets distracted.
It tunes out.
Yeah, it tunes out. You want to do other things, think about other things.
In other words, it's a coping mechanism.
Yeah.
Infants can't help but absorb the stress of their parents.
Right.
They can't help it. But when is this tuning out happening? When our brain is being developed.
Right.
If the parents are present and emotionally attuned and available, child brains develop properly. But the parents are stressed, the child absorbs the stress. What can they do with it? They tune out. And that tuning out thing is programmed into the brain, and then 10 years later or 50 years later we say, you got this disease. No, you don't. You've got a coping mechanism that's no longer working.